Hey, it's another great day in Coto, Caza, Orange County, California. Beautiful September day. Got great flowers there. This guy here is a Tibouchina heteromallum. Looks fantastic. Silver-leafed princess flower. Beautiful broad leaves and great little flowers on this panicle here. Holy smokes. Sometimes people call them a Tibouchina grandiflora, sometimes a Pleroma heteromallum. But most nurseries, you get them as a Tibouchina heteromallum. So the plant usually gets like 6 feet tall, 6 feet wide. You get a dwarf variety, gets 3 feet tall. This guy here, I believe, is a dwarf. He's fanning out real far. Sometimes you get these guys like a shrub look as well. And the stems, the branches down here, real woody. See that? Right at the base there. It's super woody. If you don't trim these back and prune them, you'll end up getting real leggy all the way up here to the pretty flowers. This guy could be trimmed back a bit. What you do is you find a little node or intersection, you cut it right there. On the healthier, bigger plants, cut them at higher areas, get a good looking shrub. But this guy here, I want to cut him back way down to help fill him in so he's not all leggy like this. Anyway, the leaves right here, called a silver-leafed princess flower. Okay, little opposite on the stem. See this? Little opposite, one on one side, one on the other. One side here, one on the other here. All the way up to the top. Real broad and long, ovate shaped, and they're really, really smooth and soft. Oh, velvety. These guys are great, and they puff up right in the middle on this big central vein. Here's the bottom. See how this beautiful veins there? In the older leaves, they'll kind of thin up and turn a little orange or brown, and then they'll fall off. Anyway, see how velvety? You guys are fantastic. The flowers, right here, they bloom from late spring all the way to September. Right now it's September. So they look really, really good. Big, flush panicle on top. Here we go. We've got 5 little beautiful purple petals there. All the stamen, anther, pollen, all the reproductive parts right in the center. That guy's a good shot right there. See all those beautiful parts? Anyway, he's going to bloom a little bit more for us. But when he's done, after blooming, he said, when we got to prune them. So after they bloom, just come down here and prune it down here, just at about 1 inch above the nodes. That'd be good. They're best if they're planted in this well-draining soil down here. Give it lots of water. Does good. It likes the morning sun and afternoon shade. And you'll get these beautiful, beautiful plant we have here all the way around. But it's kind of long and leggy, so got to trim him back. And there you go. That's our silver-leafed princess flower, Tibouchina heteromallum. Some buds coming in right there, out here in Orange County, California. Anyway, thanks for watching.